Alright guys, we're back with episode 2. So in this episode, we're going to focus on all the fluids, brake fluid, oil, and diff fluid. And then we're also going to add the coolant and put the radiator on. So this car, by the end of this episode, hopefully this car is fully, completely run and drive, and we'll be able to drive it up and down the parking lots. So without wasting any time, I guess let's get straight to work. Alright guys, we got the oil change done. Pour all the oil in. Gucci took apart the door. This door doesn't look bad. That's gonna have to get repaired, but it's probably cheaper to repair this door than to pay $5 grand for another one, huh?
I don't know, I got money, so I
Alright, right now we're gonna go ahead and focus on the differential, and we're gonna go ahead and change the gasket and refill all the fluids. Ran into a little bit of a problem. This doesn't want to come off. I tried putting chains to it and yanking it off. We're actually going to have somebody come out here and take a look at it and give us some pointers and tell us what else to do. We did get a little bit out, but it's just a crease all around. Don't want to mess anything up. This door is fully stripped, everything. So time to, you know, send this door out to get repaired. In the meantime though, while we're waiting, we're actually going to go ahead and take this side skirt off, or whatever you want to call it, the carbon fin, and then we're going to start removing the radiators and the brake line, and we're going to go ahead and put everything onto the white car. That way we at least have that ready. This is all stripped. Frame wise, everything looks fine, looking good. So we're just going to go ahead and start putting stuff together, and then it's going to be kind of hard, but I can't wait to cut this quarter panel off. What about you? Are you looking forward to it?
Bro, I'm looking forward to everything.
To everything. All right, let's put you guys on a tripod and start taking off that side skirt and the radiator. So the quarter panel actually came off a lot easier than I expected, huh?
Yes, sir.
This part's gonna be the challenge though, to take this off. So it goes all the way to the very front. These carbon ones, the wheel wells, we're actually gonna end up putting them on that. And together with these carbon fins that are right here. So these carbon fins go on the quarter panel. That one doesn't have it. I think it's gonna look nice. That's already all screwed in. Just waiting for the gasket maker to dry. Then we're about to just install the radiators. We can't pour the coolant in yet, because once the gasket maker dries off, there's a coolant cooler that goes on the transmission right about here, and that's damaged pretty bad. So we have to take it off of this one and swap it out, but I don't want to do anything like that until the gasket maker dries. So for now, I guess we're just gonna call it a day.
Yes, sir.
Call it a day and come back tomorrow and finish this up and hopefully drive it. All right, we're back. This is the next day. Let's drive this thing. After doing a lot of work on it. We got that car ready. Got to pull off the radiator, condenser, all that, brake line. Then just got to install it onto that car. What do you say? 2 hours max work? Somewhere around there. And then we're gonna be able to drive. Yeah, but to pour in the gear oil, we're gonna have to drop the car at level and then keep pouring it in until it starts pouring out of the fill plug. And that's pretty much how you check the level of that. So in order to do that, we've gotta, while the car is up, install the radiator. So say it without wasting any time.
Without wasting any time, brother.
Let's get to work.
Go. Come on.
All right, guys, we are done with all the fluids. Everything's done. Coolant's in, but we still have to start it and warm it up. Anyways, we're actually about to head out and pick up the wheels for this McLaren from powder coat, because both of those tires are popped. We don't really want to drive it like that. They're all torn open from the previous accident. What do you think?
The best. Looks great.
Looks good, huh? Looks way better than these. These are, like you said, Tesla wheels.
Can we put them on my scooter?
Yeah, probably. All right, let's knock out the other side and take this thing for a spin.
Not waste time and get to it. Alright guys, so the wheels are on. Let's just get this thing started
and hope it drives. We did pump the brakes, but we pumped them manually, as you can say, just so we could have enough brakes to, you know, pull in and out of the shop. But it is actually going to go to McLaren after us to get the full service on the brakes, so just to be safe. Anyways, let's go take this thing for a spin and end the video.
Wow, she is pretty.
Can't go fast, man. All right, guys, so we took it for a couple more spins just to see if there's anything wrong with it. Dude, this thing drives nice. It drives way better than the 720 after, well, before I went to San Francisco. It's actually on its way back. But anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. In the next video, we're gonna focus on the panels. We're gonna go ahead and cut the inner quarter panel, whatever you wanna call it, from that one, glue everything onto this one, and then send it off to paint. So we just want these projects to be in and out, without wasting any time. Anyways, this is gonna wrap it up for this video. So if you guys do want to see the inside stuff before we post it, follow us on Instagram, and then please like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace.